Safety Management Group provides services to the construction, healthcare, utilities, manufacturing, pharmaceutical industry.
Spohn Associates was founded in 1976, and we specialize in architectural wall panels, ornamental metals, railings, windows.
Digital Planet is a purpose-based business. Our goal is to deliver a laptop with education to every South African.
Acumatica helps us become more efficient through time and expense management, the accounting, and then tying the CRM into all of that.
It's one place for everyone in the organization to go to get information.
We're saving time, streamlining our processes, and reducing our resources.
Acumatica played a critical role in our ability to pivot to working from home during the COVID-19 lockdown period.
There's no different from sitting behind your computer at the desk in the office as it is sitting at home on your kitchen table.
Without the Acumatica solution, we would have been in a world of hurt as it related to our timekeeping, our accounting processes. We didn't really miss a beat.
Acumatica gives us total control and flexibility to customize the platform. As our business evolves, so can we evolve the platform.
With the implementation of our dashboards, that's been a huge help for us and a time saving, having all the information right there on one page.
It's a much more efficient process versus me asking, hey, can you run me this report or that report? I can see utilization right at my fingertips.
We were able to save about $50,000 out of the gate. That's just licensing, right? Had we stayed in the legacy software, we probably would have had to add a person.
Acumatica Construction Edition is scalable, customizable, and specific to the construction industry.
We want to have a big impact in South Africa, and Acumatica is the platform that will enable us to do so.